With mortgage rates dropping yet again, let's look at some reasons why you should be out there looking at real estate today. So welcome back to my channel. The mortgage rates have dropped yet again. Listen, they are a full percentage point off of where they were just a month ago. So when we were looking at rates in the high sixes to low sevens, we're now looking at mortgage rates in the high fives to the low sixes, which is a great opportunity for you to be out there to purchase a home. We don't know really what's going to happen in the future, but all signs point towards the interest rates going even lower. So why is it a better time now to be out in the market? Because there's more opportunity right now than there will be in the future. Listen, once the rates start to go even lower, you're going to have more people in the market because they're going to be more comfortable buying. And with more people in the market, that's going to send property values higher because there's going to be more competition, and there's going to be a less opportunity for you to get seller concessions. And right now, that is an important option for you to look at. Let's look at some options here. So you can get the seller to pay closing costs. Even if you're only putting 3% down on a conventional loan, you can have the seller paying 3% of your closing cost, which means less money out of pocket. And with those closing costs, the seller can actually buy down your interest rate. So let's say that you're getting an interest rate of 6%. The seller may be able to buy down that interest rate to the high 5% for you. And that is a better option because you're going to have a lower payment. And then again, if the interest rates do drop, you have that option to refinance, but you're also already in a fixed rate, so you don't have to worry about the rates going up. The other option, and I'm sure you have been hearing, is called the 2-1 buy down. And what that means is the seller is going to fund part of your payment over the next 2 years. So you have a lower payment and they're just paying seller closing cost at closing. So if the going rate right now is at 6%, you would have the equivalent payment over the first year of a 4% interest rate. Then the second year, it would go to the equivalent of a 5% interest rate. And then in the third year, you would have the going rate of whatever you signed at closing, which was the 6%. So that can make a really big difference. And again, if the rates do drop within the first couple of years, you can refinance. And that money that has been set aside to help you with your payment is actually applied to the principal of that loan. So it helps to pay for the cost of refinancing, because a lot of times you're just rolling in those closing costs into the new loan. But no matter what, when you do that, and you will typically save money on your monthly payment, even with rolling in closing costs. If you are looking to purchase a home within the next 3 to 6 months, now is the time to get the loan application filled out, to get fully approved in underwriting. So when you find that home, you are ready to move forward no matter what the interest rates are. So taking advantage of buying a home right now gives you the opportunity to have the seller pay some of your closing costs, to get into the home that you want at a better price. And then when the rates do drop even more, you can always look at refinancing. Because once the rates do drop, we all know there's going to be more people in the market, which is going to be more competition, less opportunities to get seller concessions, and less opportunities to get a reduced purchase price on that home. So if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I've added a couple of videos at the end of this to help you even further your real estate goals. Thank you for watching my video. I've added these 2 videos for you to watch next to help you on your home buying journey. I'll talk to you soon.